Hello class, this is a video tutorial on calculating the raw mark from a z-score. Having calculated the z-score from a value or score or raw mark using this formula, we've seen this in the previous video, it is possible to calculate a raw mark from a z-score by rearranging the formula. So let's get straight into it using these four examples. So the mean of a data set is 25. And a standard deviation of 8. So we have a mean of 25 and its standard deviation is equal to 8. Calculate the raw score that has a z-score of 1. So let's utilize the information that we have. So let's substitute 1 into z. So 1 is equal to, we actually don't know what this capital X is, so let's leave it as that. Let's subtract the mean, which is 25, so minus 25 all over 8. That is the standard deviation, so over 8. Now it's just a matter of solving this equation for capital X. How we're going to do that is, well, we're going to remove this first by multiplying 8 on both sides. This will cancel, leaving us with 8 is equal to capital X minus 25. And if we add 25 to both sides, we get 33 is equal to X. Let's just rearrange this to make it nice and neat. Capital X is equal to 33. Why is it doing that? There we go. So if we're given a z-score, we can find its original raw mark. So let's try this again. You can go ahead, pause the video and give it a go yourself for these next three values. Here we go. So a z-score of 2, let's substitute that in. 2 is equal to capital X minus 25 over 8. Solving for capital X, so times 8 on both sides. This will give us 16 equals capital X minus 25. Adding 25 to both sides, we will get 25, that is 31, 41 is equal to X, or X is equal to 41. Let's do this again. This time we have a negative 3, so let's solve this. So negative 3 is equal to capital X minus the mean of the score, which is 25, minus 25 over 8. Multiplying both sides by 8, we get 24. It's negative because of the negative 3, equals X minus 25. Adding 25 to both sides, we get 1 is equal to X, or X equals 1. One last time. A z-score of negative 1.5, so negative 1.5 is equal to, following our formula, X minus 25, which is the mean, over 8. Multiplying both sides by 8, negative 1.5 times 8. This gives us negative 12 equals capital X minus 25. And since I'm here, let's add 25 to both sides. This gives us X is equal to 13. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating the raw mark using the rearrangement of the z-score formula. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.